To access a USB drive on a MacBook, start by physically connecting the USB drive to your computer. Make sure the drive is properly plugged in and the MacBook is turned on. Next, locate the USB drive on your MacBook. You can do this by clicking on the Finder icon in the dock at the bottom of the screen. The Finder is the Mac equivalent of Windows Explorer, and it allows you to navigate through the files and folders on your computer. Once the Finder window is open, click on the name of your USB drive in the sidebar on the left side of the window. If you do not see the USB drive in the sidebar, click on the Finder menu at the top of the screen and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on the General tab and make sure the box next to External Disks is checked. This will ensure that the USB drive appears in the sidebar. After selecting the USB drive, you will see the contents of the drive in the main window of the Finder. You can browse through the files and folders on the drive just like you would on your MacBooks. Hard drive. To open a file, simply double-click on it. To copy a file from the USB drive to your MacBook, drag the file from the USB drive to a folder on your MacBook. To eject the USB drive when you are finished using it, right-click on the drive in the sidebar and select Eject. You can also eject the drive by dragging it to the trash, which may seem counterintuitive, but it is a safe way to remove the drive from your MacBook. It is essential to eject the USB drive properly to avoid damaging the drive or losing data. Simply pulling the drive out of the MacBook without ejecting it first can cause problems. So always make sure to eject the drive before removing it. By following these steps, you can easily access a USB drive on your MacBook and transfer files to and from the drive. Remember to always handle the drive with care and follow the proper procedures for ejecting the drive to ensure your data remains safe.